Hello everyone, welcome to LRDA Prep. My name is Sameer Sardana and this is episode number 6 of Test Your Brain Power series. As you know, इस series के अंदर हम different puzzles discuss कर रहे हैं, logical reasoning based, to help you with different type of concepts. So here is one more concept here. MSD is telling his friend at which house number he lives at. Now, there are three statements made by MSD. The first is, if my house number is a multiple of 3, then it's a number from 50 through 59. Now, MSD बोल रहा है कि अगर मेरा हाउस नंबर 3 का मल्टीपल है, then it should be a number 50 और 59 के बीच में. 3 का मल्टीपल होगा तो 50 और 59 के बीच में ही होगा. Now, tell me, how many numbers of multiple of 3 are there between 50 and 59? If the number is a multiple of 3, if the number is a multiple, 3 का multiple अगर आप number लेना चाह रहे हो, then the number has to be between 50 and 59. So the numbers between 50 and 59 multiple of 3, as you know, are 52, 54 and 57. So these are the three possibilities of the house number of MSD only if his house number is a multiple of 3. अगर 3 का multiple नहीं हुआ तो फिर कुछ भी हो सकता है, right? Then it would not be any of these three. If it is a multiple of 3, then I have to take these three. Then it would be any one of these three house number. Now, if my house number is not a multiple 4, that means अगर मेरा house number 4 का multiple नहीं है, if the number is not a multiple of 4, then it is a number from 60 to 69. तो number 60 और 69 के बीच में होना चाहिए. Now tell me, numbers which are not multiple of 4 lies between 60 and 69. How many numbers are there which are not the multiple of 4 but lies between 60 and 69? It can be 61, it can be 63, 64 तो it can be 62 also, 63, 64 तो 4 का multiple हो जाएगा, 65, 66, 67, 68, 68 4 का मल्टीपल हो जाएगा, 69, राइट? अगर नंबर 4 का मल्टीपल नहीं है, then it should be any of these number. Now, if my house number is not a multiple of 6, if the house number is not a multiple of 6, then it is a number from 70 through 79. अगर नंबर 6 का मल्टीपल नहीं है, then it should be a number from 70 through 79. 70 और 79 के बीच में होना चाहिए. 6 के ऐसे मल्टीपल, 6 के जो नंबर 6 के मल्टीपल नहीं है और 70 और 79 के बीच में लाई करते हैं, व्हाट आर दोज नंबर? दोज नंबर्स आर 71, 72 तो 6 का मल्टीपल है, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78 6 का मल्टीपल है, नहीं लेना है, 79. So I need that particular value which satisfy all these three conditions, and that will be the house number of MSD. Now just try to see the connection here. If a number is a multiple of 6, then it has to be a multiple of 3, right? If the number is a multiple of 6, because 6 is a number which is divisible by 3. अगर number 6 का multiple होगा तो वो number 3 का definitely multiple होगा, तो number इन तीनों में से एक होना चाहिए, right? Now, अगर नंबर 3 का मल्टीपल हुआ और इन तीनों में से कोई एक नंबर हुआ, so इसमें 51 आएगा, 3 के मल्टीपल में 51 आएगा, right? 51, 54 and 57. Now, if the number is a multiple of 3, then any one of these three number is a house number of MSD. But you see that इन तीनों में से कोई भी नंबर 4 का मल्टीपल नहीं है. That means if I'm taking any of these three number as a house number of MSD, then automatically I'm saying that number is not a multiple of 4. But as per the statement of second statement, if number is not a multiple of 4, then it should be any of these number. Can I say both of these two statements are the contradict statement? They cannot be true together, right? That means if the number is a multiple of 3, let's say the house number is a multiple of 3, तो इन तीनों में से एक नंबर होगा. अब इन तीनों में से एक नंबर है तो तीनों में से कोई भी नंबर 4 का मल्टीपल नहीं है. 4 का मल्टीपल नहीं है तो नंबर इनमें से कोई एक होना चाहिए. तो ये दोनों स्टेटमेंट आपस में कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट करेंगे. दैट मीन्स कैन आई से टू मेक दिस स्टेटमेंट एज ट्रू, कैन आई से नंबर इज डेफिनेटली नॉट ए मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. Number is definitely not a multiple of 3, and it would be a multiple of 4, right? I can say that. If I want to satisfy both of these two statements, I have to assume कि number 3 का multiple नहीं है and 4 का multiple है, राइट, बिकॉज 3 का मल्टीपल लेते ही नंबर इन तीनों में से होगा. देन मुझे ये भी सेटिस्फाई करना पड़ेगा नंबर 4 का मल्टीपल नहीं है, बिकॉज इन तीनों में से कोई भी नंबर 4 का मल्टीपल नहीं है. 4 का मल्टीपल नहीं है तो नंबर इनमें से कोई एक होना चाहिए, बट ये दोनों स्टेटमेंट एक साथ नहीं हो सकती. दैट मीन्स नंबर इज डेफिनेटली नॉट ए मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. नंबर इज डेफिनेटली, now if number is not a multiple of 3, that means उसके अंदर 3 की कोई भी पावर नहीं है. So can I say कि अगर नंबर 3 का मल्टीपल नहीं है तो नंबर 6 का मल्टीपल भी नहीं हो सकता है, बिकॉज 6 से डिवाइड होने के लिए 6 इज अ नंबर विच इज मेड ऑफ 2 and 3. So 6 से अगर नंबर को डिवाइड करें तो 2 और 3 दोनों का मल्टीपल होना चाहिए. अगर 3 नहीं है नंबर के अंदर, दैट मीन्स नंबर का 6 का मल्टीपल भी नहीं. अगर 6 का मल्टीपल नहीं है तो नंबर इनमें से कोई एक होगा. अगर इनमें से कोई एक होगा तो नंबर, can I say कि number is definitely a multiple of 4, because if I am picking a number from this set where I am saying that number is not a multiple of 6. Now I have two possibilities here. इन सभी नंबर के अंदर दो पॉसिबल है, या तो नंबर 4 का मल्टीपल है या नंबर 4 का मल्टीपल नहीं है. अगर नंबर 4 का मल्टीपल नहीं है तो ये दोनों को सेटिस्फाई करना चाहिए. बट यू सी दैट none of the number is common between these set of numbers. So can I say number is definitely a multiple of 4, because if I'm taking a number which is not a multiple of 4, then both of these two conditions get satisfied, but nothing is common in these two set of numbers. So definitely number is a multiple of 4 and it is not a multiple of 6. Now tell me, out of these given numbers, how many numbers are multiple of 4? This number is not a multiple of 4, not right. This is the only number which is a multiple of 4. So can I say the answer to the question will be 76? This is the correct answer to the question. I hope you have tried this question by yourself before you had a look at the solution of the question. A beautiful puzzle to help you with this divisibility concept, and you know, this is a kind of logical reasoning puzzle which might be used in any particular logical reasoning set. So guys, please watch all the episode of Test Your Brain Power series. Similar to that, I also have a 10 minutes daily DLR dose. So there are also around 10 episodes on 10-minute daily DLR dose, where I have also covered different type of puzzle exactly on the same type of concepts, right? I mean, the different puzzle, the different varieties of puzzle are also covered there. Please have a look at those. The links are given in the description part of the video. Thank you so much for watching the video. And there's a bumper offer for going on for CAT 2021. If you go for 6-month subscription, get subscription till CAT 2021, and you can use my referral code LRDA Smear Live. LRDA Smear Live. This will give you a 10% off on Plus subscription on Unacademy. This is the referral code. Also, scholarship test is going on, where you can win the scholarship from a pool of 55 lakh. If you are getting any of this rank 1 to rank 200, you will get a scholarship from a pool of 55 lakh. You can use my code LRDA Smear Live to register yourself for this particular test. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next part.